2, 1, action.
Hey guys, it's Miss Flanoy here. I was just going to do a quick lesson for fractions. First, before I start, I want to tell you guys that I miss you so much and I love you more than you can ever imagine, and I can't wait to see you. So today, we are going to discuss fractions. Fractions are broken into two different sections of fractions we're going to learn about. So the first section of fractions is fair shares. A fair share is where you and your friend are trying to share something and you break the parts into equal parts. Okay, so let's look at the teddy bears. Okay, so if I have 2 bears, I'm gonna break this group of bears into one for you and one for me. Okay, that's a fair share. Okay, now if I have 4 bears, I'm gonna do one for you, one for me, one for you, and one for me. So the whole is 4 bears. I'm gonna get 2 out of the 4, and you're gonna get 2 out of the 4. So basically the fraction there is 2/4 and 2/4. That's also 1/2. All right, now let's look if I had 6 bears. Okay, so I have one for you, one for me, one for you, one for me, one for you, and one for me. This is a fair share. I have 3, you have 3. Both are equal shares. Okay, now let's do one more example. All right, I have 1 bear for you, 1 bear for me, 1 bear for you, 1 bear for me, a bear for me, a bear for you, a bear for me, a bear for you, a bear for me, and a bear for you. So this is also a fair share because you have 5 and I have 5. Okay, we both have 5, which are equal because 5 and 5 are the same. All right, now let's look at this group. All right, this group this is 3. So your whole is 3. 3 bears is your whole. I have 1, you have 1, and I have 1. Is this equal? Are these equal shares? No, because I have 2 and you have 1. So this is not an example of an equal share. Okay, so that is parts of a group. Okay, so the group of bears is your whole, and we broke them into parts. All right, now, if I had 1 whole, okay, so this right here would be considered my whole. All right, this 1 pizza is my whole. Now, Zoe and I eat pizza every day for lunch. So this pizza is broken in half. Half for me and a half for Zoe. All right, now this is an example of a whole broken in half. With that, this pizza is a fair share, although it's 1 whole. All right, now let's look over here. If this pizza is my whole, all right, forget about this pizza, got a new pizza.
New pizza.
If this pizza is my whole, okay, I'm gonna cut it, and I want you to tell me if you think this is a fair share. Okay, so this half is for Zoe, and this half is for Mommy. Is that a fair share? No, that's not a fair share because Zoe's half is more than Mommy's half. Okay, so over here, this is a fair share because Zoe's half and Mommy's half are the same. We're still talking about a fraction because the fraction or the whole is your whole pizza, all right, and then your fraction would be part of your pizza. Now, that can be described as 1/2. Okay, so your denominator is the number on the bottom. Think of it as the downstairs number. Okay, and then the number on the top is called your numerator. And your numerator is the number of parts. Okay, so right here at your pizza, you would have 1/2. Okay, so 1 and then a line 2. Okay, I'll show you on the computer in just a second. So if I had this, I would have 1 as my numerator, 2 as my denominator. All right, now we're gonna do a pizza party flip chart together. Hold on. We're gonna do a pizza party flip chart together, and we're just going to look at making pizzas on the computer. All right, Jake, come over here. All right, so this is a fraction party flip chart. All right, we have our ingredients, which is sausage, cheese, pepperoni, olive, bacon, mushrooms, and red onion. All right, now, this is an example. Right here are the fractions that I was telling you about. Okay, you have 2 as your numerator and 2 as your denominator. Now this 2 halves is 1 whole. Okay, so we're gonna put all cheese on the whole pizza. So I'm gonna come down here, I'm gonna grab my cheese, I'm gonna put cheese on the whole pizza. I sure wish we were in the classroom and you guys could be the ones dragging on the active chart. But we'll do what we can. All right, now, this word is mushrooms. Mushroom. Okay, this right here is what a mushroom looks like. So mushrooms goes on 1/2 of the pizza. That means that one of these sections is going to get mushrooms. So I'll go ahead and put 1/2 of mushrooms on the pizza. I don't like mushrooms on my pizza. Do you guys like mushrooms? Okay, the next is olives. All right, so I have 1/2 of olives. So 2 is my whole. Okay, 2 is my whole part, but only 1/2 is going to have olives. So I'm going to put olives on 1/2 of my pizza. Okay, now let's look at the next one. So the next one, pineapple. I love pineapple on my pizza. People say it's not American, but I like it. All right, so 1/2 is olives again. I'm not a big olives fan, but you're allowed to eat whatever you want. All right, so there's my 1/2 olives. All right, now this little square down here is a pineapple. All right, so we're gonna put pineapple. Oh, that's cheese, wrong one. All right, pineapple all over this pizza. If it were, oh man, I keep grabbing the wrong one. If it were my pizza, I would put it all over and extra put pineapple. All right, so there is 1/2 olives, 1/2 pineapple. Okay, now this will be our last one. So 1/2 mushroom and 1/2 cheese. So if I put cheese on this side and this side, would that represent 1/2? No, that would be 2/2. I only want it on 1/2. Okay, so here is my pizza. All right, so 1/2 cheese, and now my other half is mushroom. All right, so 1/2 cheese, 1/2 mushroom. All right, so that concludes our fractions lesson. At the school on Monday and Thursday, you can pick up packets from 10 to 6, and in these packets, they have all kinds of activities, okay? But we have sprinkled in fractions activities. So for this activity, let's review real quick, okay? You have a heart. This is a heart and that is a heart. It says, look at each set of shape. Circle the shape that shows the equal parts, okay? So in this example, I would circle this heart because if you go down the middle, it's equal. On this side has more than this side. All right, now let's look here. Which one would be equal? Good. This side would be equal because you can fold it in half and they match up. That's called symmetry. All right, and then this one, if you folded it down, it would not match up. But as you can see throughout this packet, there are all kinds of activities. Don't forget to work on your handwriting, okay? You can cut and glue, do a sort for equal and not equal parts, all right? Let's see, what's another cool one we can do? Ooh, here's one that was talking about halves, okay? So on this one, just like we did down here with the pizza, okay, you can break this shape into halves, all of these shapes into halves, and then down here, you can figure out which one is divided in half. Okay, that would be 1 is your numerator and 2 is your denominator. I will be sending out and attaching some cool resources on our on the message that comes with this video. Also, don't forget to check out our website on the Lee Wade homepage. You can have links to all kinds of videos and games, not only just the games that we sing and play during calendar time and Go Noodle and all of that stuff, but it'll also have educational links to fractions. I know that you guys received the email on Monday with your plants brain pop. I will attach or have attached another video with you guys being able to see the fractions video. Just use the same username and password. If you have forgotten that, I'll be sure to attach that. Okay? All right, guys. I hope you have a fabulous month of April, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Mwah! See you later.